Metatron, hardware-software system for NLS diagnostics. The most precise, informative and safe method for overall body examination. A perfect investment for those who want to develop their medical and healthcare business. Our products are already used by doctors and medical practitioners, medical clinics, diagnostic rooms, sanatorium resorts, oriental medicine centers, scientific research centers, fitness centers and spas, sports medicine specialists, distributors of phyto preparations and dietary supplements. Non-linear of NLS diagnostics is the obtaining of information about the state of health using hardware-software system Metatron, to which the data about objective state of body organs and tissues is transmitted in real time and then decoded and takes the form of specific diagnoses and recommendations. All the information about the state of your body, its spectral entropic code, is registered and analyzed at the level of brain subcortical structures. Metatron system uses special trigger sensors in order to tune up to resonance frequency of a control signal of a researched organ. Then it reads the information, decodes it with a special program and displays on the screen in the form of three-dimensional models of organs, tissues, cells and their organelles. We use specific marker system to highlight their actual conditions, normal or pathological, color-coded 12 points Flindler scale. Institute of Practical Psychophysics is the original developer of both the NLS diagnostics method and original equipment for its application. All similar devices made by other manufacturers are just a hollow attempt to copy us. 8,000 devices of 6 various modifications were sold for 20 years of Institute's activities. 15 versions of software in 8 languages were developed: Russian, English, German, Spanish, French, Italian, Chinese, Japanese. 70 scientific meetings were organized. 3,000 people from 34 countries participated in them. 12,000 spectral etalons of organo-preparations, pathological processes and medications were introduced to our database, and we constantly extending it with new etalons. We are presented in 50 countries of all continents of the earth. There are many reasons why our clients choose us. Reason number 1. Metatron makes possible to examine all body systems without exception in a single session. There are nervous, cardiovascular, digestive, respiratory, endocrine, urogenital systems, locomotor system, and skin. Reason number 2. Metatron allows to identify pathologies at the early stages of development. Average accuracy of diagnostics on the basis of independent clinical research results in 5 areas: gastroenterology 90%, pulmonology 77%, gynecology 77%, endocrine system 79%, and neurology 76%. Reason number 3. The highest quality of three-dimensional visualization of computer models of human organs and tissues. Reason number 4. Absolute safety and ease of examination. Diagnostics with Metatron system won't cause any discomfort or harm to a patient's health, because it is carried out non-invasively, without radiation, without penetration, without lab analysis. Patients' biochemical analysis results provided by laboratories can be introduced into software and used during diagnostics. Reason number 5. Minimal training time for work with Metatron system. Reason number 6. Multifunctionality of diagnostics. It makes possible identification of allergens, evaluation of predisposition to various diseases, detection viruses, bacteria, parasites, monitoring of treatment and rehabilitation processes, evaluation of stress adequacy in sports. Reason number 7. Individual selection of medications and diets, including phytopreparations, lithotherapy, homeopathy, medications, dietary supplements, preparations of oriental medicine, Bach flower essences, food and drinks of various national cuisines. Reason number 8. Elegance and straightforwardness of a diagnostic process. Average time of diagnostics with Metatron is 20-40 minutes. Trigger sensors, which built into a stereoscopic Sony headset, carry out 3D scanning of an organism's systems. There are 4 models of investigation: express, standard, detailed, and one for particular organs. During this procedure, 12 various states of cells and tissues are displayed on their virtual models on the display, using the special color-coded Flinders scale. This makes possible for a specialist, even at this stage, to identify problematic areas for a later detailed examination. Specialist examines areas and organs which are identified as problematic in details. Intuitive interface and a visualization system for 3D models of organs and tissues make possible the detailed examination of a specific organ down to its subcellular and molecular structures. 4D tissue system allows seeing of an affected nidus at a desired perspective and at the same time selected with color, so-called additional dimension. A specialist instantly adds revealed pathologies, infectious agents, or other functional deviations into the final examination report, epicrasis. The epicrasis can also include recommendations about treatment, preventive measures, and diets. The epicrasis is given to a patient in a printed form with an offer to come for repeated diagnostics after a treatment course. If some serious health issues are revealed, the patient is recommended to visit a specialist in some specific area or attend a course of bioresonance therapy by means of Metatron system in several forms: phytotherapy, lithotherapy, or psycho-wave correction with Bach flower essences. Reason number 9. Ease of use and user-friendly interface of a program. Intellectual program of a human organism scanning makes possible to master all details of using of hardware-software system for NLS diagnostics quickly. Reason number 10. Unique possibilities of Metatron for correction of health state disorders. Metatron makes it possible not only to evaluate a character and severity of health problems, but to eliminate them directly as well. The core of nonlinear informational correction lies in a transmission to a biological system, a signal about the correct resonance frequency on which all systems, organs, tissues, cells, subcellular, and molecular structures most normally operate. The information is transmitted by several ways. First way, no-sode therapy. Information is saved on a special matrix, namely spirits, water, sugar, and will be introduced to an organism with a regular oral intake of nosodes. Second way, metatherapy. Signal is transmitted through a system of bioinductors directly to an organism, correcting a frequency of dysregulated, due to some reasons, cells. If needed, this information can be endued with destructive properties by tuning to a frequency that damages various infectious agents, viruses, parasites, bacteria, and others. We are dynamically progressing. We constantly modify the hardware and update the software applications, adding new features and add-ons. Moreover, we are adapting them to different regions of the world. We provide a full package of regular technical and informational support for our customers, including post-warranty servicing, namely, full warranty maintenance within 18 months, immediate answers to any questions through any communication channels, immediate replacement of hardware elements, remote solving of software problems, regular newsletter about news and software updates, all necessary promotional materials at your disposal. We regularly go through clinical testing and certifications according to the main criteria of quality and safety for medical devices. We are the owners of International Quality Certificate ISO 13485, Industry Standard for Manufacturers of Medical Devices, CE, Mark of Conformity to the European Union Standards on Product Safety to Human Health and the Environment, FDA, Mark of conformity to the Ministry of Health of the United States standards on food safety, drugs, cosmetics, and medical devices. International patents for the device and method of NLS Diagnostics. Price of Metatron system is several times lower than prices of other devices of hardware diagnostics, ultrasound, CT, MRI. We have a clear vision how to use all Metatron features to develop your business, establishing of diagnostic centers or medical rooms, or adding additional services to medical clinics and practitioners' range with mobile diagnostic systems, visiting patients at homes or workplaces. Besides, it is possible to extend of services range of health centers through the cooperation with distributors of food supplements. How to earn money with Metatron? There are several options. Option number 1. You can open a diagnostic room. What do you need for that? Trained specialist. We regularly provide training courses. Workplace of a minimal space. A chair for patient, a table with a chair for personnel. Informational and marketing materials. We are ready to send business scheme upon request. Let's count. Average price of Metatron system, €19,750. Average price of a diagnostic session, €80. Approximate payback time, 247 sessions. Payback period, 62 days, with the average workload of 4 sessions per day. Option number 2. Become our dealer and sell Metatron systems. What advantages will you have? Right to purchase Metatron of any modifications at special prices for dealers and to sell at your prices. Placing your contact info at the manufacturer's official website in our dealers section. Right to use Metatron trademarks and the status of the company's official dealer in your region. Regular technical, informational and marketing support from our side, including providing of promotional materials. How to become our dealer? Step 1. Buy at least 3 devices at once. Step 2. Sign dealership agreements under which you agree. Annually sell a certain amount of products set in the agreements. Conduct all possible advertising activities for promoting of Metatron in your region. Monitor distribution of counterfeit products, Metatron fakes. Welcome to a large and successful team of Metatron system users.